Hi everyone. So obviously I've been trying. Just got off work and just home. I'm so angry and so hurt. And obviously these things go away because again, my name's Andy. In case this is the first time, I'm a mom of four. I lost my oldest, Landon, age 20, back on March 25th this year, 2019. His attorney, for some reason, has been away with us. He failed him. We paid him all his money, and he basically violated all ethics codes. And yet, he's not reprimanded for anything. He has no consequence for anything. Because of that, my son was stuck in the state of Arkansas, and the probation officer there was pretty shitty as well. And they failed my son as well. Had the attorney done his job, my son would have been sitting in probation here in Iowa, even though I don't like Iowa either, because we live right now. We'd be away from all the drugs. He didn't know anyone in the state of Arkansas except for drug dealers. He did it for college. And because the attorney failed on every possible level, yeah, he's on probation. But that wasn't what we were striving for. We were striving to make sure that he was able to carry it out here in Iowa, not there. Lane didn't want to go back to Arkansas. He had some anxiety. He was a doctor here, and he went to the doctor. How did these people in these positions of authority just get away with this? I hate the state of Arkansas. I grew up going back and forth there because that's where my parents live. Well, my dad lives there. But now it's a place where I don't want to go back because it just brings back little memories. I don't think this is right for our system to sit there and do whatever they want and just fuck away with it every goddamn time. It just is my son. And the system failed them. Absolutely failed them. And I feel like I'm just sitting here and I try so much to do much, and I filed a complaint against the attorney, and he's just getting away with it. But I love fucking America. This is why so many countries hate us. We just think for the shit when we have a system that's failing on every fucking aspect. Not only are they failing us, they fail you and your neighbor and your child and God knows who else. Remember that, America. You live in a shit fucking country because this is how they treat people. We put fucking office. We should fucking do more. Wake up. Like, yes, we have an epidemic and this and that. But those who are in a position of authority, who are superior, should be held accountable on a higher standard. And I just continue to get away with shit because I'm about sick of it. My God. Yes, my dad's American. And yes, my mom's Filipino. So yes, I'm half-half. I love America and I hate America. I miss my son. And he should never die. How it went down. Maybe eventually later. Who knows? He could have changed his whole around the United States and a fucking state because the attorney failed to acknowledge his job and inform the right people. He did everything right. Everything. He went above and beyond. And yet other kids who were in the same position were fucking left, and yet the other one keep walking and walking. And here I am burying my damn child. Fuck you, America.